lose.
Ano?
Applicants.
Pag hindi ko naiintindihan, out ako. Ito, 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1.
Ito ang bulan. Yun.
Kasi katipunan daw kami.
Beginner.
Alam mo, dapat ang title
What is
nito,
the book?
Do you really know
I
yourself?
don't eat.
What is the most prized possession? What is the thing that is most important to you? Sino love mo?
Sa mayayari po. Sa mayayari po.
Eh kasi yung game na yan, ikaw lang naglaro eh. Nakinig lang ako eh. Proper yun? The name of the game is... Sabi mo na yun ng game.
Stop!
Halika dito!
Hindi na family.
Dito ka!
Iyan na family.
Do you know your family? Okay, half tayo.
Oh, good.
O dito ka, lumapit ka dito. Okay, game. You ask question.
What am I talking about?
Oh, Jordi yan. O, ito. Tama?
Dito, dito. At na.
Hindi ka pwedeng out. Hindi ako pwedeng out. Wala kang kalaro. You're here in...
Ako lang.
Gusto mo talaga ako umalis?
Yes.
Hindi kita pagkakataon. 1,
Yes na eh.
2,
Yes.
3.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
But I am what a pet.
What animal do you have as a pet?
Yes.
Dog. Tama?
Yes.
Okay. Ako naman magtatanong.
What?
Okay, next question.
What God is here?
Get your guy, Tipton. Bakit? Bakit? May mali ba?
Yes.
O, walang mali. Tama naman na. Game, tanong mo.
Yun lang.
Kaya ka, tanong mo. Pwede sit down here.
Okay.
Sit down properly. What?
What God want to accomplish this year?
Daw.
Yes.
Yes, you want to learn how to do photography. Am I right?
Yes.
And you also want to learn how to cook. Am I right?
Yes.
And you also want to learn how to speak slowly. Am I right?
Out.
At yun ba yung gusto kong goal para sa'yo?
Yes.
Okay.
What is my favorite thing about summer? Thank you.
What is your favorite thing about summer?
Banana. Swimming po.
Swimming. Where? Pool or beach?
Pool.
Pool.
What is my favorite season of the year?
Me, summer. You.
Me, winter.
Winter? May winter ba tayo dito sa Philippines?
Summer.
Me, Christmas. Gaya-gaya ka na lang sagot eh. Okay.
My belonging to our lose.
Ano?
Applicants.
Pag hindi ko naiintindihan, out ako.
I was when I learned how to ride a bike.
You don't,
Yes.
you don't know
Yeah.
how to ride the bike.
Was a film side. Phone ko. Oh, tama yun. Phone ko. Oh, tama yun.
Alam mo, naglaro siya mag-isa.
But I think I'm understand me singing. Yun, tama. Well, instead of Cookie. Oh, tama yun.
Hindi na tawag dyan, game. Hindi monologue.
What is something I want to do me? Soccer. Yun.
Hindi ka marunong soccer.
Oh, tama na, Kens.
Ito, 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1.
Ito ang bulan. Yun.
Kasi katipunan daw kami.
Beginner.
1 plus 1.
X.
Ayoko na. Nagalit na. Mami will go na.
Yes.
Bye. Ikaw na lang mag-isa.
What the dancer man decided to have their eyes closed. Tama. was my favorite vacation. Here.
Favorite vacation daw niya, Casa Katipunan. Alam mo, dapat ang title
Why is
nito,
it good?
Do you really know yourself?
I don't eat. Nothing the nice mean the most. S. Good.
What is the thing that you don't hate the most? S. Ano yung S?
Sorry.
Okay.
Hoy.
Inaayos ko.
Because Wonder Woman. Good.
Si Wonder Woman?
I'm not big.
What is my favorite superhero? Si Wonder Woman ang favorite superhero mo?
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man.
The very price position. Yes, of course.
Hindi mo naintindihan yung question eh. What is my most prized possession? Of course. What is the most prized possession? What is the thing that is most important to you? Sino love mo?
Sa mayayari po. Sa mayayari po. What do I usually up on weekends? Ang samaya po.
Buta ka na Marilao pag Saturday. Pag Sunday,
Why tama yun?
how do you know yourself? Okay. What actor or actresses would I want to meet? Sino daw gusto mong kilala actor and actresses?
Ikaw po.
Kilala mo na ako eh.
Yung fellows to the school. Yun. Pipit.
Ay, dito ka, hindi ka pwede sa floor. Dito ka. Dahan-dahan, pwede ba masira yung cards? Who is your best friend?
Sa maya po.
Hoy, magdal si Nina Kuget mo. Who is your best friend?
Yung po.
Sino pa?
Jelly.
Sino pa? Sila din best friend mo. Ako din
May
ako.
bigla other boss sa church. Yun. Habi! Isingin na, habi!
What is your hobby? Singing!
Yun!
Ako nga magbabasa.
Ano po?
What is culture view or judging? Yun! Kaya ko rin yan eh. When you're
What singing.
tingin mo talaga na ang ganda ng boses mo? Tingin mo na sa tono ka?
Yes, madam.
Okay, so tapos na kami maglaro ng How Do You Know Yourself?
Wala pa.
Umupo ka dito.
What the people usually ask me that?
I have to read it again because they won't
What the
understand.
people usually ask me that
Within.
grade?
I'm about to get it.
Oh!
I have to read it again. Ay, you have to pick it up. Good boy. Pick it up. Everything.
Dapat ko ah.
Meron pa doon, no? Fetch. I'm pick up doon. Yun, no?
Sorry. Sorry.
Okay.
Who's the doctor? I'm Tamunjaya po.
What is your favorite breakfast meal? Tapa!
Yun, tama. Best I received.
Do you know the meaning of compliment?
Cute.
What is the best compliment that you receive?
A lot.
A lot? You know what's the best? When they say that you're a good boy. Diba po?
Yes.
Okay, sit down properly.
Lang S.
Walang S.
Wala Q.
Oh, mag-sorry ka muna sa lahat.
Sorry, Shen.
Anong Shen? Barkada mo?
Of course.
How do you talk to them? They're older than you.
Sorry, Shen.
Ah?
I'm so sorry po. What would buy first after what the lottery?
What would I buy first if I won the sabi mo nga,
Lottery.
Okay, what? What would you buy?
Phone.
Ang phone? Bibigyan mo sila ng phone?
Yes po.
Ako, bibigyan mo?
What's my least favorite exercise?
Ano?
What's my least favorite exercise?
What is my least favorite exercise? What is your least?
Yoga ba? Yoga ba kids?
Yoga.
What is my favorite flavor?
Ha?
Kyato. Yun.
What is my favorite? Ano yun?
Flavor.
Ice cream flavor? What?
Kyato.
Keto. Anong Kyato? Keto? Oh, ngayon po, kilala na natin si Quentin. Yung iba naman po, hindi natin alam kung ano sinabi niya. Dahil siya lang po nakakaintindi. Parang gusto niya matapusin na buong
Tama.
Oo. Na ang
Sa
pangalan
Duran, kas-kas tumunan. Wapre.
the best place daw para sa kanya is Casa Katipunan.
Football leg. Tama.
Quintin.
Ano to dyan? Off.
Quintin, you haven't answered my question. 1 plus 1. Please.
2,
2 plus 2.
3.
Very good. Okay, next. Last
What,
chance.
what?
2 plus 2. 2 plus 2.
Good night po.
Okay, Quintin, magbabay ka na.
Aba nga ako.
Ayoko na eh. Eh kasi yung game na yan, ikaw lang naglaro eh. Nakinig lang ako eh. Proper yon. What is the favorite thing that you want to do when you're alone?
Wala lang.
Wala lang. Ganito, Quintin, ganito yung tsura mo pag alone ka. What is something I do every day that I wish I could skip?
Math po.
Thank you.
What next na first for to play? Soccer.
Next question. Do you know how to play soccer?
No.
I don't know.
But my parents na as a
What
family.
is your favorite memory of your family?
Even with Adam or Danny.
With Adam and Danny, when we're whole, when everybody's there.
Yes. Was nervous.
When mom is mad?
Yes, tama naman.
Okay.
What was your favorite to the birthday? Sing my friends.
What do I find absolutely disgusting?
Mga dirt, mga trash kan yun.
Mga dirt trash. Okay.
What I was speaking about. Mga girl, ano?
Girls, speaking kasi
At
girls. Where is my favorite place to go?
Here.
What's this place?
Yes, guys, labunan po.
Casa Katipunan. Bye guys! Thank you!
Bye-bye, everyone.